I just moved to a new space, so I'm on the hunt for budget-friendly organizing hacks, and my local Dollar Tree did not disappoint. Ready for some genius storage hacks? Let's dive in. Having just moved, I have a lot of organizing to do. These drawer organizers are amazing for socks, undergarments, and more. I also snagged these large zippered organizers for off-season bedding. They fit perfectly in my closet floor and can also slide under the bed. This car trunk organizer is perfect for organizing your car, of course, but it would be a great option for hitting the beach or the park. So after I left Dollar Tree, I started thinking about those car trunk organizers and thought, you know what, those would make really good organizers for my linens because I have a deep cabinet and it's on the bottom shelf is where I want to put the linens, but I do not want to be on my hands and knees trying to dig stuff out of the back of that cabinet. So I knew I needed some good way of organizing those linens. And I thought that those car trunk organizers would fit the bill. However, I went back to not one but three Dollar Trees. They all were sold out. So I ordered a couple on Temu. They're not as big as the ones from Dollar Tree, but I think they're going to work just as well. Let me show you. Now, I will say I use most of my linens for packing, so I'm still unpacking and have more linens to go. But what I have, I've just kind of put in these three different sections. It'll be more sturdy, more stiff, I guess, when there's more stuff in it. But they pull out easily, and they're just going to shove back in there. And I'll be able to get linens out easily, and nothing's going to get lost at the back of the cabinet. I am pretty dang happy with this idea. Now, can we talk budget-friendly storage? This 6-cube storage rack is just $5 and holds the Dollar Tree cube storage bins. So for $13, you get a huge amount of storage that's ideal for bathrooms, closets, a kid's room, seriously anywhere. Now, I'm in the market for options for organizing my kitchen and desk drawers, and I think these plastic divided serving trays are perfect for my kitchen gadget drawer. When it comes to desk drawer organization, this expandable organizer might be the most versatile find ever. Pair it with wire dividers and small felt trays to keep your office supplies in check. And for a sleek and modern look, I'm obsessed with these metal desk organizers. They'll add instant glam to your workplace. Now, craft lovers, this one's for you. These vertical pen organizers are wildly popular for a reason. I grabbed a few to store my paint pens and markers. They're a must-have for maximizing small storage space. For your fridge, I found these undershelf egg holders and fruit baskets. They're perfect for adding vertical storage. I love these large chalk and cork boards, and this large weekly planner with a cork board would be great for keeping your family organized, while this smaller to-do whiteboard will help you dial in your daily to-dos. And I was excited to see these magnetic list pads. I picked up a daily to-do list to help organize my daily tasks, as well as this pretty notepad to use for meal planning. Now, I remember a year or so ago, these pegboards and accessories were super popular and sold out quickly. They're an inexpensive, versatile solution for vertical storage in craft rooms, garages, or anywhere you need extra organization. These Dollar Tree organizing hacks are perfect for 2025. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this to be a quality video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up and subscribe to join the Koala Crew for more organizing tips, tricks, and hacks. But most of all, I hope that you have a quality day.